If you're stuck in the 9 to 5 grind, feeling like there's never enough time or money, let me tell you something. I get it. I was laid off twice by two different companies. And instead of running back to corporate life, I built an income stream that gave me time, location, and financial freedom. Now, I help corporate professionals and virtual assistants earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month online, even if they're starting from scratch. And today, I'm giving you the exact strategy to do the same. Make sure to watch until the end because we have special bonus offers that can be taken down anytime. These bonuses will make joining our POP program an absolute no-brainer. Let's go! Step 1. The secret to $5,000 fast. Most people believe making money online is complicated, that you need a massive following, crazy tech skills, or years of experience. That's a lie. Here's the truth. To hit $5,000 in the next 30 days, you only need 5 sales of a high-ticket digital product, something that pays you at least $1,000 per sale. That's it. Analogy. Imagine selling coffee for $2 a cup. You'd need to sell 2,500 cups to make $5,000. But what if you sold espresso machines for $1,000 each? You'd only need 5 sales. Work smarter, not harder. Real success stories from our community. Now, before we move on, let me show you some real success stories from people just like you who took action and made this work. Jack, one of our students, made 3 high-ticket sales in one day, pushing his total earnings past $10,000, and he's doing this completely faceless, without showing his face on social media. Jessica banked $13,709 in a single month, also without showing her face online. Salvatore was born deaf, facing more challenges than most, but that didn't stop him. He hit $12,000 in just 38 days after joining our program, and he's now one of the respected coaches in our community. A stay-at-home mom went from being $2,000 in debt to making $21,000 in just 8 weeks, all thanks to the right mentorship and community support. Jaslyn, a restaurant owner, applied our digital marketing strategies to her offline business. Her daily earnings jumped from $700 to $4,000 to $5,000 a day using the exact same methods we teach here. And these are just a handful of the 500 plus success stories we've seen in our community over the last 2 years. But let's be real, these results aren't typical if you try to do this alone. They happened because these people followed the system and put in the work. Alright, let's talk about why recurring income is the real key to success. Step 2. Why recurring income matters. One-time sales are great, but what if you could get paid every single month without extra work? That's what recurring income does. You sell a high-ticket product once, you recommend a tool or software that helps your customer even more, they pay a small monthly fee, and you keep earning month after month. Analogy. Think of Netflix. You don't pay once and get lifetime access. You pay every month. Now, imagine if Netflix paid you a commission for every person who stayed subscribed. That's what we're doing here. Step 3. How to find the right people. Okay, now you're probably thinking, KD, how do I find people willing to buy? Here's the shortcut. Facebook groups. Your ideal customers are already gathered in one place. No ads, no chasing. You join niche groups where they hang out. You engage, start conversations, and offer a solution when the time is right. Analogy. It's like walking into a room full of people who already need what you have to offer. No cold pitching, no begging, just showing up and helping. Step 4. The automated system that sells for you. The best part? You don't need to do all the selling yourself. We use an automated system that handles follow-ups so you don't have to, recommends additional tools that bring in recurring income, works 24/7 even when you are sleeping. Analogy. Imagine running a coffee shop that never closes, never runs out of stock, and sells on autopilot. That's what this system does. You set it up once, and it works for you over and over again. Step 5. Simple action plan. Alright, let's break it down into simple steps. Pick a high-ticket product, pays $1,000+ per sale. Join Facebook groups where your ideal customers already hang out. Engage, add value, and start conversations. commissions. Use an automated system to handle sales and follow-ups. Earn high-ticket commissions plus recurring income on autopilot. Analogy: this is like setting up a money tree. You plant the seed, a high-ticket sale, then keep getting fruit, the recurring commissions, every month without extra work. Alright, before we wrap up, let's talk about the insane bonuses you get when you join our POP program and community today. Lifetime mentorship from 7-figure digital and affiliate marketers valued at $97 per month or $997 a year. It was a 1-year deal, now it's lifetime. 4 times live coaching calls per week plus podcast. 24/7 support inside our community. Access to all resources within POP. Courses, training modules, content vault, and more. Master resale rights. If you find our program valuable and recommend it to others, you keep 100% of the profits from every sale. POP is priced at $1,000, but with these bonuses, you're getting way more than $1,000 in value already. These bonuses won't be around forever, so if you want to take advantage, now is the time. Now, you have everything you need to start making $5,000 to $10,000 a month online. So here's your next step. Click the link below to get started with our proven system. Join the free training where I break this down step by step. Take action today. If you are serious about creating time, location, and financial freedom, this is your sign to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video on digital marketing, passive income, and online business strategies. Let's build your freedom lifestyle together, one step at a time.